Right now, you are falling, not toward the floor, not in any way you can feel. But every second of your life, you have been falling through space, and you never noticed. Your body has no idea. Your senses were never built to catch it. So how can something this constant stay completely invisible? Start with what falling actually means. Isaac Newton described gravity as a pull between any two masses, no exceptions. Earth pulls you down. But Earth is also falling around the Sun, curving through space instead of flying off in a straight line. That curve is what an orbit really is, not floating, not circling on some invisible track. Endless falling that keeps missing the ground because the ground keeps curving away beneath it. Here's the part that breaks most people's intuition. Albert Einstein reframed gravity entirely in his theory of general relativity. He argued that gravity is not a force pulling you at all. It's the shape of space itself, bending around mass like a heavy ball resting on a stretched sheet. You don't fall because something reaches out and grabs you. You fall because the space around you is curved, and falling is simply the straightest path through that curve. So why don't you feel it? Because falling and feeling weight are two completely different things. You only feel weight when something stops your fall. The floor, the chair, the ground beneath your feet. Remove that resistance, and the sensation disappears instantly. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station aren't floating because gravity vanished up there. NASA has confirmed gravity, at that altitude, is nearly as strong as it is on Earth's surface. They float because they, and their entire station, are falling together in a continuous freefall around the planet that never quite hits the ground. That means you are doing something remarkably similar down here, just with far less drama. Earth is falling toward the Sun. You are standing on Earth. In a very real sense, you are being carried through the same kind of curved fall that keeps astronauts weightless above you, except your fall is interrupted every instant by solid ground pushing back. Physicist John Wheeler spent decades studying general relativity and helped popularize a simple way to describe it. Space tells matter how to move. Matter tells space how to curve. Your body, Earth, the Sun, and every planet in between are all locked in this same quiet conversation. Nothing is exempt. Nothing floats free of it. You just happen to be standing somewhere. The conversation gets interrupted every single second. Does that make gravity less real? Not at all. It makes it stranger. The push you feel against your feet isn't Earth's gravity reaching up to grab you. It's the ground refusing to let you continue falling the way space wants you to. What feels like standing still is actually a quiet, constant negotiation between your body and the planet beneath it. So the next time your feet touch the floor, remember what that pressure really is. It's not stillness, it's an interruption. You were already falling, curving endlessly through space with the rest of your planet. The ground just keeps getting in the way.